And what is your favorite song?
The song that I always sing.
Oh, about the alligator?
Yeah.
Can we get an encore performance?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear it.
No.
You gonna sing it again?
No.
Why?
I need to sing different.
Oh, all right. You have a different song.
Yeah.
All right.
Cover.
Cover girl? All right, let's hear that.
My cousin, the cousin girl. I think you're a superstar. Yeah, you're so pretty. Daddy, what are the ladies skin? You need the shit you the only one that busts my room. Oh, my cousin girl. Oh, my cousin girl.
That was awesome, Rue. And is Norma your cover girl? Normie.
Mommy, my cabby go up.